Kumusta lahat? All good? All good? I see a lot of familiar faces here. Just to share, Shopee Philippines has been, I would say, my home and training ground for at least 3.5 years during the Netmark and ACC era. But, just a quick share. But anyway, to make things official, on behalf of Honor Philippines, welcome everyone. And a big thank you to our amazing partners at Shopee Philippines for making this exclusive launch possible. Everyone, let's give them a quick round of applause. Our connection with Shopee Philippines is growing by the day. And it is no question why we continuously partner with them for our launches and activations year by year. So for context, I think we had 4 launches with them prior to launching here in the office. But since we started in 2023, our online business grew to an astonishing rate of 2,154% since 2023. Insane, right? And with 77% of our consumers also hailing from regions outside of Metro Manila. That's why, because of this, along with many of our wins this past year, it is crucial for us to target our regional customers mula Batanes hanggang Hulo through the extended reach of course, Shopee Philippines and Shopee FBS. Okay, with that, it is my pleasure to share with you that Honor Philippines has been awarded at the recent Shopee Mall Brand Summit with not just one, but with 2 big awards, Best Content Engagement and SSBL Road Champion. So again, take note, we were chosen amongst hundreds of brands, tama di ba? Hundreds naman, within Shopee Mall, and I would say this is one of our major achievements thus far. This just further strengthens why we chose Shopee to have this partnership with. And that being said, I think you guys already know why you're here. But if not, today is extra exciting kasi we are thrilled to officially introduce the all-new X5Z Plus, launching of course exclusively in Shopee. There. Of course, just in time for the 3-3 Shopee Mega All-Out Sale. O diba? What a way to celebrate pairing innovative new tech with one of the biggest, or rather, the biggest e-commerce platform in the Philippines. The X5Z Plus is designed to deliver reliable performance with its 3-day battery life, stylish design, and of course, its great value. More on that later. We decided to be the top-of-mind smartphone for your everyday Filipino user, just looking for, I would say, a holistic smartphone experience. And with that, I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the event. Again, I'm AC De Guzman. Thank you for being here. Let's make this launch a huge success. Thank you!
Thank you so much, AC. Can we give AC another big round of applause, folks?
From the effort of our team for making this possible, no? And I'm excited for the 3-day battery life.
You're excited for the 3-day battery life. How many of you here, your cell phones has 3 days of battery life? Okay, not that many. So, bro, what can someone do with 3 days of battery?
I mean, for example, you just go to vacation, naisipan nyo lang your barkada, LU during the weekend, tapos, naiwan ko charger ko.
Oh.
Pero, naka-honor XFC Plus.
Yeah. So even if you forget your charger at home, Honor has got your back. That's a good one, AC. Alright, one more time, folks. Maraming salamat kay AC for that inspiring message and for sharing Honor's bold vision of innovation to every Filipino.
Honor. Alright. So, I'd like to introduce the next speaker, my previous boss, Head of Commercial of Shopee Philippines, Mr. Jack Nam.
Good evening, everyone. To all our partners and our guests, welcome to Shopee Philippines. Thank you very much for being with us here today. I'd like to start by extending my appreciation to Honor for mounting today's launch. It's always a joy for us to celebrate key milestones with our key brands, and especially with a key brand that continues to push boundaries and innovation and growth. So our partnership with Honor has been nothing short of exceptional. Over the past years, we have worked very closely to bring groundbreaking, high-impact campaigns to life, spanning both online and offline. So from Shopee Live on Wheels, where we gave out a Tesla Cybertruck, to prime billboard placements that help amplify visibility at scale, and even exclusive on-the-ground events that brings the brand closer to Filipino consumers. I think these offline to online marketing efforts help to create memorable brand moments that help combine reach, relevance, and retail performance. And I think the results of such strong collaboration between us and Honor are very clear. At our recent brand summit, I think AC also mentioned, Honor was the only brand that was recognized with 2 key awards. Okay, one of them is the special S-PayLater Growth Champion, which highlights Honor as a leading brand in helping drive the adoption of Shopee Pay Later, and Best in Content Engagement, recognizing Honor's excellence in leveraging affiliates, live stream, and video content to drive meaningful and relevant customer interactions. I think it shows that when we combine Honor's innovative approach with our Shopee's ecosystem and scale, we are able to deliver best-in-class results. I think as we look ahead to 2026 and beyond, we are very excited to deepen this partnership even further, unlocking new opportunities in content, innovation, and consumer engagement. So congratulations once again to Honor on today's launch, and we look forward to many more milestones like this together. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
It's a very, very big deal for us because Shopee has been a big partner from the start. As AC mentioned, we grew 2,000%, and I think we're around number 5 now, right, in Android mobiles in Shopee. For a new brand like us, considering 3 years pa lang si Honor here, it's still considered a new brand. We're very excited, very thankful for your help as well. Our e-commerce business has been growing rapidly. I do believe it's almost 20% now. It's because of you guys, to be honest. You're the one who trusted us first. Now you are our biggest partner e-commerce wise, and thank you very much. And thank you for our media friends and partners who went here, Enertigas, kahit medyo traffic sa labas. Thank you very much. Then thank you and congratulations.
All right. Well,